Hey guys, good morning, healthy people. Happy Sunday, September 29th, 2019. Today's journal prompt question is to you, what is the difference between healthy eating, clean eating, mindful eating, and eating whole foods? So, those are the three things: the difference between healthy eating, clean eating, mindful eating, and eating whole foods. And that's what we're going to journal about for roughly 3 minutes starting now. Today is the second to last day to our focus on the lifestyle area nutrition. So after that, we're going to focus on finances. And the other day, I had mentioned finances in our video as if that's what we were focusing on now because I wasn't paying attention, or I don't know. I guess I was seeing, I don't know. But anyways, here we go. We're going to journal because I actually want to answer these questions. So I'm going to journal with you all today. So I'll be looking down. So the difference between healthy eating, mindful eating, clean eating, and eating whole foods. That's all I have. Wishing you guys healthier, happier habits. Everybody have a great and happy Sunday. I will talk to you guys soon.